Good evening, this is Jan. And tonight I'm gonna make a salad. And not just any salad, it's gonna be a pickled mussel salad. So for this, I bought this jar of mussels in vinegar. These pickled mussels are manufactured by the company of Arugula, which is very famous in the Netherlands. They make lots of good quality fish bites, also from herring. I'm gonna have a taste of the mussels. 2 pieces together with that vinegar. Beautiful mussels, nice acidity from that vinegar. That's what I need in my salad. The preparations are quite minimal. I'm gonna slice a couple of radishes quite thinly, and then it's already time for building the salad. I'm gonna put arugula on a plate. By the way, this is arugula with some other lettuce kind of species. The sliced radish I will divide equally, kind of over the arugula lettuce. I got some capers in the brine. That provides some liquid and some saltiness. The star of the dish, the mussels in the vinegar. By the way, there is some onion in there as well, a little bit of salt, so I don't need any extra salt. Also because of the capers, they contain salt in the brine. I think this is like sufficient amount of mussels. Some extra vinegar, so I don't need to put any extra lime or anything. This is surely acidic enough. Just to have a little bit more of spice and herbs, I'm gonna put some black pepper, which is always nice. Parsley. And just a little bit of basil as well. And here I got my pickled mussel salad. Mussels, arugula and radish and everything else in one bite. Here you got the rich flavor of the mussels themselves, plus this kind of spiciness of arugula and all those other flavors, that brininess from the capers, the acidity from the vinegar. That is beautiful. This is really the sea itself that you taste in this. I'm just going to eat this with some crackers. Going to be a light meal, but you can always eat it with potato salad or rice or bread. Gonna put some of this on the cracker. Nice combination of crackers and mussels and all that other stuff. All these flavors. Everything on my fork. A beautiful briny salad. If you like seafood, any kind of seafood, in combination with capers, radish, arugula, just try this. The flavor is amazing. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food, your seafood, like I do.